your friend will be about the Smart Ghana update so we news updates within Eddie Ajua. A champo mine, and so brass will be said the no, ye better not send some cost where you be about the summer. And Chay and Ura for sample for no and a year NDC or much chairman, a babon, Tinebeka concerning Ura liturgical comes, needs same be the babon saying, and I'm a free party, name say me, I'm a raise, I'm in party, nibim, and I won't say me, then I'm so for sample for Ebekasa say, said the Ura liturgical comes, and I'm no walker, next will go party anymore, the bay and come from. Is answer be what drew no party no, and I didn't do one party, na be a man pa. It is a wakasa wonja bi e won yem na san se bi beto abonten pe e no rural tejekom so mu no se ehene ha e de se wo for so mbofo ba be ka che be se be kasa binya bi na se party na ye bi ama wono alotejekom sa wo so ofuso mbofo party na ye bi ama pa na time na wo twa wo ye photographer na wo twa de kre no wo hu it is away why say wo ba be ka ni secret a wono so be ka secret e de bi a chew e no ache biti bra ye rural tejekom se ba abonten a e ka be ye se wo declare support the man na do Dr. Baumia e ke cancel pafa NPP party no ho no e na manfo bi se papa yi wo hwa said the Oma Babette opposition at Che, or baby did it yashe, and Unti and Odin Honqua for Dr. Baumia, and another Kufu Ghana president. No, then also Ura to Jacob say, Yano, young cop name with him when she we bar, yet a commercial chamber to us.
Come on, can you for example for there or Pugin, Dongan, content or Pugin, or Pugin were not pumping in Dongan. Now she didn't behave like a child and like a toddler. Onu Oposampopo, next thing he will be in the NDC because he still wants to be national chairman. And what he was saying about the Mahamane, Niya or Pokos is all like they have the ambition to become presidential candidates in the NDC. Then the people he has been exposed by the food soldiers, and people know his intentions. He comes and uses me and Kwakwa Nidofu to lambast us. As a leader, maybe you as a Pentecost as such a leader. Pentecost, they have set an elder who will call for kidnapping of children, burning of market and others. This man, a leader of a Pentecost sect, such a mighty and glorious sect like this, they have such a person as their leader.
Uncle Lotte,
and they are not even advising him. Oba Radio, sir, he talks anyhow.
Uncle Lotte.
Me too.
Yeah. Me obi baby say papa isi no sika say there am so atno opposition ache komo yade no ti no open pipi mo kwa kopa bi
from DC to deputy regional minister, from deputy regional minister to regional minister, from regional minister to local government minister. What has he did again? To become a board chairman even of Ghana Port and Harbors Authority. There no here you. What does he need? What he needs is to become a presidential candidate. Nothing else. What he needs to do is to become a presidential candidate under some guy, some funny and cunning story. And that's what he's standing against us. He's using me and Goku.
Sure. So did this Nyawi and Nawi can you say a nunti kakra wonsem. Nanya party kroya so na abo amu odu sampen penso e na ubobodin na we yo
say one bar party then party ball. Maybe there how many people in the party are like me or like Oposampopo or like Okwanyido? How many people in the party? It is recognition of what you have done that places you at a certain level. Masorian and BSA party has helped me. It is Professor Amos who helped me. And I will always say it and give credit to him. Yes, he was a leader and flag bearer of the NDC and became a president of the Republic of Ghana. Over years then. What my kind of attitude and behavior, I never supported him for the national chairmanship because he hasn't got the guts, only the guts to lead NDC to victory. And I'm not surprised he is saying this thing just to save his face because there's pressure mounting from the food soldiers. I mean, Mr. I have sacked myself from NDC. If you listen well, Ombe Nagin, Nema Pamaginim, Ombe Niye no unto them, Mr. I'm no longer a member of the NDC. Sabi Tafaje, he never brought me to NDC. And when you were interviewing, you were saying that maybe NDC, he knew me. I was not naked. No, ma'am, Miobia, me naked. Mr. Poto, and then Miobia, Mr. Tesika. I have also known him when he was a photographer. On the number of people for you were a Yazi party. Sabi Tafaje, Oka PDC. We know what he did in Fatiafa. If you want us to tell him about what he did, we will also tell you. But I won't go to that target. Master me in there. I'm no longer an NDC member. So he even shouldn't mention my name. He's not the type who can lead NDC to victory. And he's safe facing. Sir, Obakane party for Tuamanibio. NDC for the one. I'm not part of them again.
Ade ankophobia ye wona ye o party ni mu anase nipa bi na omuhu yi wahi enti na se de wo ankasa akura wo se se ke wo sa ke wo party ni
Mejai mese men don party biala aw na mu I will support Nana Akufo-Addo and Bawumia because of their leadership quality, changing the political spectrum in this country, changing the political space, making people to understand what is real and what is false. I think I'm support I mean don't party biala at this age. And yes, I'm a party biala.
I was your friend. What's your role? Let's Jacob said, "Yeah, you're telling Cafe said the Wolf Casana as 7 and wedding." Jack, Miss Annie,
you know, what I mean,
I went this party.
Now, I mean, the mechanic said, I didn't know, say, yeah, papa, I will take you go, say, there's some sorting it out, or one sorting it out.
Okay.
So I say, because it is long overdue. I check. So,
let's only say your Diana.
Eh, your dear, of course, now, we are in country. Eh, your dear, what was a dear? Was your casa bedroom say? Because me realize this, I think Adam TV, time, me a few months, yeah, no, on a book in Japan, one on Bantai. If you want to ever share man, and I cry. One hour in Japan, casting big a cry, or boots was supported a crandy, okay, and correct. They are hot and a chassis. Okay, a hot and a chassis. I just have one door and be biting at check. Sir, also, one so, and some boy made a main cassa and TNDC, but soon symbol on my kind and correct. In an idea, new who dear Nanado, eh, Sam, and in any who dear, and yet, MPP government, eh, you want a come once. Okay, and say one is all can now you MPP near now only we at near we neutral person who say yeah or can be a SSM who say okay papa no asamo can you no correct. Okay. So what I say but uti sema okay can to the biana a too much. So because say uto if you throw stones or glass house or timo now akoye say as a person obetinem. So to an extent saying sembo okay na say I say you are not going straight to express the Mahama, but I say oh I can fool beer. Obi teenager we who say be only express the Mahama was some. Okay. Was be a okay be and kutia the flag bearer. So what I say and they say oh can some now one can year. Where am the whole party na town? They say you a film. So one way or the other no time I never bob and only your papa you. Go ni do. Nyina no asa ekoba asa ngufu omo PMPP mu akwa na uti echira sa na obeka so ati ase nti me de da ofusu ampofo ansam na o eda ofusu ampofo oso bi o ye eda oti me de amanfo agu abonti akohye car ne market ni ade da ofusu ampofo ansam na o ka no fa baby no
so was me aka head of zombo
fa baby no no kre ese e papa alotejo ko se umpe party ni bi ma ese otiti a break so na party no etina ne baby na se bi so otina baby okay the ko ba se at times so na media nso ka ho sometimes they refer him say as a dey or desu wom so I say na o makofa ba na tree na fe okay cancer
oh say obi so make say dey media ba ko fa because we tie papa Lutejo Corps nsema o say obi a watna party why DC wa ba be regional chairman waba be regional hwan e say waba be board of Harbour tema Harbour and fa ngisi ni nyina say party no e na de aide e de ama wo and is a party na de ama na se kire bi ukoda wo ho na party na e bi e de wadru ba bi no o sa be keka nsem a say sa na amanfo be keka
sa na amanfo be na make no nti party ni de wadru ba bi abedru say and now there is flaws in the party nobody can send be brother then you become a betrayer.
Okay,
so what I say one way or the other maybe there might be secrets
and one can me baby
sanity
and says a party need to do baby na said party na do baby na there was a party no down far who say a dear na by dear
there might be secrets they say it came to a time when na in Simbia na Samik Jemfi Ekeka na papa lo to Jacobs no on pet.
Okay.
Ukraine American no on pet. One way or the other, say Sami Jemfi him say communication director. Yes. When and there was our position, Masana na yebe fa Sami Jemfi. You get it? As I say, if you know what be brave, nti ya odi be brave then menga say na on na communication director but once they move people position and they become
the communication team no come.
That is it. And I mean they become group communication team. Your director will say you fight another person here. Also you also be creating team. What you say? Insanity. If you baby na be do say.
Okay.
Na na party for no one dey do omo ho abro. And but say you have to sort things out. Me dey say many party nim as an advice na me dey sort things out because here TH ni ye hwe no ma bebere o ye hwe no ma bia ne say eno ani ye discuss about say too bigger kase
na so go fa na me jin
na ka so mo kofa e bia obi o
ni na say the general the
mosquito no na omo kra say no kra no mtimi replace ofuso ambofo ma no eba 2024 ebe boa nya sa no kan that is it nti we na confirm say e bia de e wa pa aluto Jacob so e kan so e no kore
wo hen de o ka say
e bia
ofuso of you or pray o be say wo be flag bearer ntina
o ka sa answer okay nti if either ofuso ambofo so e be say wo be flag bearer na say the osini express the Mahama tie no. That means there are more backbiting in the party.
Okay.
The most muntuma gufin wa bontin. Why don't you sort things out? You get it. One the where I'm arriving to. Nti eba ne say ya na akoye say eja aso ase no. So I know say as time goes on it will explode. You go to say there
explode here.
We dey eni say yenka say obi akoyesi ana akoyesi say waka say ija hwehwe ni we ndi nyina ti audios ni ti audios mi nka say no credit but ti audios ni bi but o tie say de papa lutu Jacobs maintain na no asem say ana na gbofu sada so nti keka ba so waka say odi agora o ti
o si saba na o jo o ye photographer krekre
nti enche say party ni no one me who say one omo dey express them Mahama by na ebi mu mpe so what I say yes na eyiga to biga kan two engofo bi person omo compete with express them Mahama that means omo believe no mu an asesen na so omo believe in express them Mahama mu so what I say three there are flaws in NDC here so one here omo expose omo ho ama omo lose 2024.
Okay.
What I say? And na ama one for free.
Okay.
Until the ever can say you didn't come first, no. FR MPP, no. It's about time they solve their own problems without bringing it out. He sort certain people's out.
Okay.
So the bear has uncle for some form music there.
Who
released the audio of the alleged audios. When they release it, and in an
okay.
What I say, Bian say,
nay, say, Abu Beka one from
Sanity. And yeah, can say, Papa, a little you go so teacher break. Now,
before Obetia breaking. One say, they say, was one of the own pet MPP party, name Dr. Belmia, and it. No,
and I almost somewhere MPP for.
And one I can maybe say, and betting yes, so be free party, so party, and we did the
may shank come what I say. you want a position obeje you want a position
obeje eti anya wa se bia de be che sorry na papa lo tejuko minister of you NPP sara person
okay because he has experience kesia obeti won also beti me dia aboa so what I say the man position obeje the same as Koko ni dehu so what I say but the beginning you know they want prove say or the ho a ebe ha adwen nti say prove near man position na no age yes I don't know
okay Jack for every na yen sorry
some kakra make can say nyina nkran ni mu tutu nkran aha so omu party NDC party no be brave necessary nkofo eka I didn't expect even Mr. Tubiga to yesterday say over trust our statement ni nyina about express the Mahama
okay
so what I say I didn't expect that omu lusu ye ya na omu nti say eba ne say mo ye no ma bi it seems you didn't believe your presidential candidate there na say ye ginechiri ehwe no mo bu ya bemu no ma bi ho say ye ginidi na nke ye ginidi bi awe no ha gini obi anim dem to ma no ba bi am to ma express the Mahama obu ma bem so what I say same as MPP for so the omo ye nyina no they have to talk about it or they have to solve it within their own selves without bringing it out so the bear and so you hope to any who the ekoso Ghana near Ghana
mpuntu
sana emeka
okay all right busia for your family see we better ba munche be with another news update on Smart Ghana update so ya na the comment about me din dia adwoa e champo ma ya kra mu